Hello guys, welcome back. This is ethical. So in this video I'll be showing you how to check the specification of your computer. I've been receiving these messages like, hi ethical, please can you do us a video tutorial on how to check the specification of a laptop or a computer. I've been receiving these messages, and of course in this video I'll be showing you exactly how to do this. Okay, like in case you want to buy a brand new system, there are some specifications that you need to check up to ensure it meets up with what you want to use the system for. Okay, it is very, very important. These are the information you need to check, before you buy the computer. All right, so without wasting time, I'm going to show you how this is being done, and I'll be using two methods to do this. So of course the first one is the easiest way. Let's say, of course, the two of them are very easy. So I will start with the first one. So first thing first, just hit Windows R on your system. Then you type these keys. You're going to type DXDAIAG. Okay, so this is what you need to type after hitting Windows R. All right, so you click on OK or you press Enter. Then you now wait for the system to bring out the properties of the system. So as you can see on the screen, these are the properties. This is the system information. You can see the current, date and time, the computer name, the operating system that is available on that system, then the language, of course, that is set on that PC, the manufacturer. You can see the model number, the BIOS. These are, of course, the processor too is there, and the installed RAM that we have, on the system. So these are, informations that need to be checked whenever you want to buy a computer. All right. So this is the first method. I promise I'll be showing you, two methods, right? So let's close this. Let's check the second method. And of course, the second method, we're going to be using CMD. Of course, CMD stands for command prompt. So I'll be using this to check out the system info. Now, to do that, you can still hit Windows R on your system. Then you type in CMD. All right, so CMD, then you press enter. Okay, so this brings us to the command prompt. You can just type in something like system info together. So you can see I am about to get the system information. So I just type in system info. Then I'll hit enter. All right. So the system is going to load up the system configuration. All right. So I'm going to expand this so that you'll be able to see this clearly. So you can see these are the informations, of this particular system. So guys, this is how easy it is to check your system properties. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it, to your friends. All right, so do us well by subscribing to the channel too. Right, so that is it for now.